NDAX Wallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to managing your crypto in Canada, the NDAX Wallet app is one name that keeps coming up. It's sleek, regulated, and promises secure, easy trading, but is it really worth your trust? Let's explore the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, NDAX shines in one key area: regulation and security. It's fully compliant with Canadian financial laws and registered with FinTrack, meaning it operates under strict anti-money laundering standards. That gives users peace of mind knowing their funds are handled responsibly, something not every crypto platform can claim. Next, there's ease of use. The NDAX Wallet app is designed for simplicity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, you can buy, sell, and transfer crypto with just a few taps. The interface is clean, modern, and doesn't overwhelm you with complex features. Another big plus is fiat integration. NDAX supports direct Canadian dollar deposits and withdrawals through Interc, e-transfer or wire, making it perfect for local users. Plus, it offers competitive trading fees, often just 0.2%, which is lower than many rivals. Now, let's look at the cons. The first is limited global access. NDAX is mainly built for Canadians. If you're outside Canada, you may face restrictions or find limited functionality. Second, asset selection. While it supports major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, its overall crypto list isn't as extensive as apps like Binance or KuCoin. So, if you trade altcoins frequently, you might feel limited. Finally, no decentralized features. NDAX is a custodial wallet, meaning the company holds your assets on your behalf. You don't have full control of your private keys, which is a deal-breaker for users who prefer DeFi freedom. In conclusion, the NDAX Wallet app is perfect for Canadians looking for a secure, regulated, and beginner-friendly crypto experience. The surprising truth: it might not be the flashiest wallet out there, but its trustworthiness and simplicity make it one of the safest ways to get started in crypto.